Hi everyone, and welcome to part 3 of our Best Gifts of 2022 series. In this episode, the category is Hobbies and Interests, and we will be presenting gift ideas for those on your list who enjoy reading, journaling, sketching, painting, crafting, tinkering, gardening, cooking, baking, and auto care. As with the already published videos of this series and the episodes still to come, our intention is to find the most impressive options at the best prices. So we're shopping multiple value retailers to find the best choices in each episode's category. And with this week's category, Hobbies and Interests, Dollar Tree and Five Below again came out on top with the best options in quality and aesthetic for the best price. According to Google, reading is the most popular hobby in the world. So let's start with some great gift ideas for the bookworms on your list. This first gift set from Dollar Tree items includes a tote bag for books, a pair of cozy Snuggadoo socks, a mug that reads "Welcome to my happy place," and a clip-on book light. To assemble, I folded the tote bag in thirds and then 1/3 up from the bottom, and then placed it into the mug. Next, I rolled up the socks, making sure to keep that retail tag to the inside, and then placed that in front of the tote inside the mug. Next, I took the clip light that I had removed from the packaging and placed that between the socks and the tote, clipping it to the side of the mug. I finished it off with a little ribbon and bow around the top of the mug, creating an adorable, thoughtful little gift for just about $5. Dollar Tree also has a wonderful collection of eyeglass cases, which would be great for any book lover who needs reading glasses. We paired it here with a little candle and again socks and a mug, this time from Five Below. To cut down on waste as well as expense, I wanted to again offer an alternate base, like I showed in episode 1 of this series, where I'm taking a piece of cardboard box, cutting it to size, and simply gluing some basket shred to the top. I'm using hot glue here because it's faster, but you can certainly do this with regular glue, just allow enough time for it to dry. I will also place some glue to the back side of the cardboard and gently fold the shred pieces around to cover the edges. Once complete, this base creates a quick, easy, and inexpensive alternative to purchasing a container and filling it with shred or other filler. For this 8x10-inch piece of cardboard, I only used about 1/3 a bag of Dollar Tree shred. And then I can simply place my set components on top, starting with those adorable socks. And again, I'll fold over and hide that retail packaging underneath, then the eyeglass pouch in the middle, and the mug and candle to either side. To keep the components in place, I will use double-sided tape, but since this mug is on the heavier side, I will need to pull out the big guns and use some Gorilla mounting tape in this instance. To make a more robust gift, how about adding a coordinating pillow and throw to the Book Nook gift? And Five Below had a great selection, including this beautiful plaid throw and ivory shaggy pillow for just $5.55 each. And of course, you can use the pillow as the base. And now let's move on from reading to writing with these beautiful journaling options, including these bullet journals from Dollar Tree. Paired with some color pens, and to hold them, we found a coordinating eyeglass pouch. I will again be using the shred board as the base and will arrange the components on top, making sure to hide and remove, if possible, any retail packaging. From here, it's ready to wrap with cellophane or shrink wrap, and then add a bow or other decoration. I won't be covering those aspects in this video, but if you want tips on wrapping as well as other pro tips like color coordination, theme, and minimizing retail packaging, be sure to check out my 10 Secrets of Pro Look gift baskets so you can make beautiful sets no matter what the theme or occasion or where you purchase the components. Another journaling option is this premium journal from Five Below. And although there were journaling options at the other retailers we looked at, none had this quality at this price point. Pair with some coordinating pens and stickers and you have a beautiful gift. To assemble, I'm going to use the journal as a base. So I want to scoot this label up a little bit. Then just arrange the stickers and markers on top and wrap, add a bow, and you're good to go. Next up is this beautiful sketch pad and pencil set from Five Below items. And again, other retailers had drawing materials, but nothing with this look and quality or at this price point. So I will again be using the book as a base, and I'll put the pencils on top, and then I'll take this pencil case, this cute little polka dot pencil case for $1 at Five Below, and put that in between. Now, I'm loving how this all came together, but if you watch my videos, you know there are two things that are bugging the heck out of me right now, and that would be that retail packaging, and of course, that price tag. So to fix the price tag, I'm just going to take one of these Dollar Tree puffy snowflake stickers and place that over the 5. And then I just made a little gold bow to place over the retail hole from the retail hanging slot. And then, much better. Pretty as a picture. You might even want to draw. But maybe the preference is to color what other people have drawn. In that case, Dollar Tree has a beautiful selection of adult coloring books, as well as sets of colored pencils. I'll tape the pencils to the front of the books, and then use a Dollar Tree pencil box for the container. I'll hold it open by taping both corners, and then the books fit right inside. Another fun, pretty gift coming in at about $5. And now here is another fun little gift using some watercolors, paintbrushes, a palette, and a canvas, all from Dollar Tree. I'll use the canvas as the base and then put the palette on top. Next, I'll add the paintbrushes and paint, and that just makes the perfect gift, except that retail packaging at the top jacking things all up. Now, because it won't jeopardize the packaging in any way, opening it up or anything like that, or it doesn't take off any critical information or anything that we would need or want to have on the package remain, we can just go ahead and snip that right off on both packages. And then as you can see, the result is a cleaner, more professional looking set. And as you probably are aware, Dollar Tree has a full selection now of these Crafter Square items, perfect for any crafter on your list. Grab one of the small wood crates and fill with a collection of craft supplies regularly used by your crafter. And of course, you can clip or hide that retail packaging if you like. But what if your recipient is less of a crafter and more of a tinkerer? Well, Dollar Tree has a great selection of tools, including specialty items like this magnetic pickup, inspection mirror, tweezer set, precision screwdriver, as well as a 12-in-1 screwdriver. I will again be using the pencil box with the taped sides as the container, and I will tape together the 12-in-1, mirror, and magnetic pickup to create the back row. Then I'll add the screwdrivers and the tweezers to the front to create a great little set. A small set of more traditional tools is also a great option, especially if your recipient is anything like me and constantly misplacing screwdrivers, tape measures, and utility knives. I start by taping a Phillips and regular head screwdriver together to create a back base piece. Next, I add a utility knife on top of that, and then a set of those small screwdrivers. From here, I wrap a piece of burlap ribbon around and then hook the tape measurer onto the ribbon. If you're looking for a more hardy tool option, then this next one's for you. I start with Dollar Tree Toolbox and add some shred. I again tape the lid open at the corners and then begin adding the components, starting with the screwdrivers to the back of each corner. Next, a pair of pliers goes in front of the one to the left and a utility knife in front of the one to the right. Then I added the precision screwdrivers to the left and a sanding block to the right. A pair of work gloves stuffed with tissue paper fills in the center. Then a hex set and measuring tape add the final touches. And the quality of these Dollar Tree tools is surprisingly good and 4 to 5 times cheaper per item compared to other retailers. Now, Harbor Freight does have a reputation of having well-priced tools, but in a recent visit, these were the only items I found in that $1 to $2 price range. The tire gauge was $129, the utility knife and fire starter $199, the flashlight keychain $169, and the gloves were $199 as well. And then I will again be using the shred board for the base, and I will just take the Harbor Freight tools and make a cute little arrangement, and then this gift set comes in at under $10. Now, if the person you're buying for isn't much for tools to fix up the house, but instead would love some tools to fix up some barbecue, then take a look at this gift set. Dollar Tree has cutting boards, grill toppers, large grill spatulas and forks, tongs, and dish towels. And from time to time, they have name brand barbecue sauce. But I actually bought this one at Walmart. Some double-sided tape to hold everything in place, and you have yourself a great little gift for the barbecue grill master. And speaking of cooking tools, can you believe that I found this Vasta vegetable sheet slicer at Dollar Tree, and it was in the $1.25 section. Pair this with a couple of their knives and one of their dish towels in a coordinating red, and you have a fabulous gift set for just $5. You could create a shred board to place this on as the base, but I decided to go ahead and pick up one of their bamboo cutting boards from the Dollar Tree Plus section for just $5. And it all comes together to make a really attractive gift for just $10. Now, I know sometimes these items can be like unicorns and impossible to find. So here's a collection of Dollar Tree kitchen items that are almost always on hand, including a set of their coordinating dish towel and pot holders, the cheese grater, whisk and kitchen shears, tongs, and potato peeler. For a small kitchen tool gift set, I'll be using this dish towel, pepper grinder, a spoon, and spoon holder. I'll place the spoon in the spoon holder and then tape the two together. Next, I placed the folded dish towel on top and then added the pepper grinder on top of that. Then I took some more tape and taped the portion of the pepper holder that was just above the dish towel to the spoon. A piece of red ribbon tied the dish towel to the rest of the components. And then how cute is that? The perfect little gift for a cook, or as a shower gift, or housewarming gift. Another cute cooking gift would be this collection of cookbooks that Dollar Tree had. They're beautifully illustrated and come in 4 topics: mocktail cocktails, salads, cookout, and pies. Place them on a Dollar Tree cutting board or make a shred board for them, and you have a great little gift for the cook. And then the salad cookbook became the inspiration for the next gift set. I added a cutting board, small bottles of balsamic vinegar and extra virgin olive oil, croutons, Olive Garden Italian dressing, a jar of green olives, a set of acrylic salad servers, and a dish towel, all from Dollar Tree. For the container, I picked up one of these acrylic Dollar Tree salad bowls, and then I just put a folded piece of cardboard there to the back to square off the round bowl and make it better for the components. And then I just covered it with some shred. First, I added the cutting board to the back. Next, I added the salad cookbook, and then the bag of croutons. Next, I took the salad servers behind the book and added the folded dish towel in front of the crouton. Then the jar of olives, the bottle of balsamic vinegar, the bottle of extra virgin olive oil, and finally the Olive Garden dressing. Moving on now to the bakers, I will take one of these large mixing bowls with handle and spout, a box of brownie mix, some measuring cups and spoons, a spatula, and another adorable dish towel, all come together to make another Dollar Tree basket. Cookies, anyone? How about using a festive tray, add an adorable mitt and dish towel, then a couple of bags of cookie mix, a spatula, measuring spoons, and they're all from Dollar Tree. For the cupcake fan, Dollar Tree has these great cupcake carriers, and I added a cake mix box, cupcake liners, and some frosting. I put the lid on, tie a bow, and you have yourself a self-contained, beautiful gift. And now here is a similar option, this time using their cake carrier. Again, just adding a box of cake mix, a couple of cans of frosting, and then some toppings like coconut flakes, chunks, and sprinkles. And then once that cake is baked, Dollar Tree does have this fairly new line of cake decorating tools. They have decorating spatulas, icing combs, bags and tips, and various sprinkles and other decorations. The little 3 for $1 bin makes the perfect container filled with white shred. And first I added the box of cake mix. Then I attached the 2 spatulas. Next came the icing combs, and I did turn that upside down to hide that retail packaging. Next I attached the rainbow sprinkles. And then finally the bag and tips for an adorable little gift. Now maybe it's not bakers, but rakers that you have on your list. If so, then maybe a gardening-themed gift might fit the bill. Now, much of these items are only available in the springtime, but you can still get these year-round at other stores, so I figured I would include this here just to give you some ideas as to what to use if you were trying to do a gardening gift. And so you can see I used a watering can as the container and then added multiple different gardening tools, seeds, and gloves. And finally, we have a couple ideas for the auto enthusiast on your list using a selection of Armor All products that Dollar Tree has. I chose this plastic caddy with the flip top lid as the container and will simply add the components including glass cleaner, multi-purpose cleaner, tire foam, and protectant. In the middle, I'll fold up a microfiber cloth, flip it closed, and it's ready to gift. They also had Armor All Car Wash, which makes a great gift paired with this large yellow sponge, a selection of cleaning wipes, a scrub sponge, a scrub brush, and the microfiber cloth. Now, in order to get this to stand upright in the gift set, I did add a piece of cardboard inside the cloth. For the container, I'll be using one of the Dollar Tree black buckets that I filled with some tissue paper and shred on top. To assemble, I'll start with the microfiber cloth to the back and then the big yellow sponge to the side of that. The car wash will go in the spout and then the scrub sponge in front of the cloth. The scrub brush next to that, and finally the wipes finish out the front. Well, I hope you have enjoyed part 3 of our Best Gift Set Ideas series. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give a big thumbs up and please let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. And if you haven't seen them yet, please check out parts 1 and 2 of this Best Gift Sets series for more inexpensive but impressive gift ideas. And check back for future videos as new videos will be released on Sundays through the season. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.